Its review rating is 7.0, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Room category 3. Room category 4. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, yes, we will require to present photo ID at check-in. The location of the hotel is attractive. It gives you to enjoy the surroundings. Amenities of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. The details and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policy. They are not booking. You can check with the link provided in the description. For more details, check in the description. If you want to explore like the property in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel, then you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.